The heart of Jerusalem, nestled between ancient walls and sacred grounds, stands a site that has inspired devotion and sacrifice for over a millennium, Masjid Al-Aqsa. But why is this place so revered by Muslims? Why has it become a symbol of faith, resistance, and unity throughout the centuries? As Muslims, we are taught to honor three sacred mosques: Masjid Al-Haram in Mecca, Masjid Al-Nabawi in Medina, and Masjid Al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. While Mecca and Medina hold central roles in the lives of Muslims, Masjid Al-Aqsa is equally significant. It's more than just a place of prayer. It's a cornerstone of our history and identity. Let's explore why. Masjid Al-Aqsa is not just any mosque. It was the very first Qibla, the direction toward which the early Muslims prayed. This gives Al-Aqsa a special place in our spiritual history, symbolizing the unity of the early Muslim community linked to the core of Islamic worship. The night journey, or Isra and Mi'raj, elevates Al-Aqsa's status even further. It was from here that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ascended to the heavens to meet his Lord. He also led all the prophets in prayer at this site, signifying the unity of divine messages through time. The Quran captures this powerful event. Glory be to him who took his servant by night from Al-Masjid Al-Haram to Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa, whose surroundings we have blessed, to show him of our signs. Surah Al-Isra 17, verse 1. For Muslims, Masjid Al-Aqsa serves as a reminder of our connection to Allah and to the Prophet's journey. It is a space where the physical meets the divine, where our past prophets have stood, prayed, and worshiped the same Creator we turn to today. But the significance of Masjid Al-Aqsa doesn't stop at spiritual symbolism. Historically, it has been at the center of Islamic civilization. In 637 CE, Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, entered Jerusalem with humility, restoring Al-Aqsa as a place of Muslim worship. His entry into the city marked a new era of peace and coexistence, a period where the sanctity of this holy site was respected and preserved. Caliph Umar's pact with the Christians of Jerusalem showed the world the values of justice and protection in Islam. The sanctity of Al-Aqsa was safeguarded, not just for Muslims, but for all Abrahamic faiths. This moment in history showcases why Al-Aqsa stands as a symbol of peace, unity, and respect for all faiths. Throughout the centuries, Muslim rulers, including the Umayyads, Abbasids, and Ayyubids, all contributed to the restoration and beautification of Al-Aqsa. Each era has left its mark on this mosque, making it not just a place of prayer, but a testament to Islamic architecture, learning, and civilization. Masjid Al-Aqsa is more than just an Islamic monument. This land has been the home of many prophets. Prophet Ibrahim, who is the father of monotheism, walked these lands. Prophet Musa, Moses, and his followers looked toward Jerusalem as a sacred destination. Prophet Isa, Jesus, also preached in this region. The very ground of Al-Aqsa is blessed by their footsteps. For Muslims, Al-Aqsa links us to the shared legacy of monotheism, a powerful reminder that Islam continues the teachings of all these prophets. Their stories, their sacrifices, and their prayers resonate deeply within the walls of Masjid Al-Aqsa. In today's world, Masjid Al-Aqsa remains a powerful symbol, not just of faith, but also of resistance and resilience. It has faced countless threats, both historical and modern, yet it stands firm as a beacon of hope for Muslims globally. Al-Aqsa is not just a relic of the past, it is a living part of our Ummah. In recent times, Al-Aqsa has become a focal point for Muslim unity. Across the world, Muslims stand in solidarity with the protection of this holy site. The love for Al-Aqsa transcends borders and cultures, uniting us in our shared commitment to protect and preserve this sacred mosque. So why does Masjid Al-Aqsa matter so much to Muslims today? It is because this site is not just about our past. It represents our faith's enduring connection to Allah, our prophets, and our history. It reminds us that we are part of something greater than ourselves, a legacy of devotion that transcends time and space. Our connection to Masjid Al-Aqsa goes beyond prayer. It's a responsibility to ensure that future generations understand its importance, to preserve its sanctity, and to stand for justice. Whether through education, charity, or raising awareness, we can all play a role in protecting this sacred place. Masjid Al-Aqsa is more than a building. It is a symbol of our faith, our history, and our unity as an ummah. It has stood the test of time, and it will continue to stand, inshallah, with our love, prayers, and support. Let us keep Al-Aqsa close to our hearts, in our du'as and in our actions. Share this message, raise awareness, and let's work together to ensure that this sacred site remains a shining light for generations to come. May Allah protect and preserve Masjid Al-Aqsa. Like and share to spread awareness and love for our sacred sites.